Hey there, it's Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. How can you double your real estate income without extra effort? Well, today we're diving into one of the most agent-friendly models in the real estate industry, eXp Realty's commission structure, and the many ways that it's going to help you keep more of your hard-earned income. And if you've been wondering how you can maximize your earnings while minimizing your costs, well, you're in the right place. But before we jump in, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and reach out if you have any questions. My team and I are always here to help you grow your real estate business and create a model that works for you. Hey guys, I'm Kelly Domaille, and if you aren't familiar with me, I run a real estate team here in Rochester, Minnesota, and I have been in the business for over 28 years and use my YouTube channel to help teach, train, and coach real estate agents to increase their sales business. And if you're new here, consider subscribing as I release new videos every week. eXp Realty is designed to help agents earn more and retain more. So unlike old-fashioned brokerages, it offers a cap model ensuring that once you hit the cap, you keep 100% of your commissions. This system is not only fair, but it really ensures that high-performing agents truly benefit. I can't tell you how many times I've talked with top producers who thought they had a great split with their broker, only to find out that they've left tens of thousands of dollars on the table. Also, with eXp's cloud-based model, it eliminates the need for costly office spaces or admin fees. So this means you can reinvest in areas like marketing, education, or personal branding, which are essentials for a successful real estate career. Beyond financial benefits, eXp Realty also provides unmatched training, access to global referral networks, and opportunities for additional revenue through mentoring and relocation services, just to name a few. And these tools are game changers for agents looking to scale their business. If you'd like to know more about maximizing your income with eXp Realty or just understanding the advantages of joining this innovative brokerage, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos, and follow us on all of our socials. If you like this video, then make sure to hit that like button and put your comments or questions down below, and we'll make sure to answer all of them. I put out new content on agent training every week, so if you find value in these, please share them with other agents that you know, and let's grow our businesses together. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.